Through our project, we plan to do something different. What we are looking at is police brutality. What our goal is so everyone can understand as well as see the issues of police brutality, specifically in the lives of young black men. We take up the issue of not only showing a story of a man, but emphasizing the facts and the statistics behind other black young men and how they've been criminalized and have fallen victim to wrongful police shootings. We plan to demonstrate real-life examples of this, show that this is a large issue by addressing specifically young black men and the systematic and deep-rooted racism in the issue, and how youth are approaching change. We created it to show what is wrong with the generations and the systematic oppression of young black men, as well as other youth, and how youth are creating a change. By doing this, we plan to use 3 course concepts: youth activism, power and privilege, and intersectionality and oppression. How we plan to accomplish these goals is to first look at a real-life example of Michael Brown in Ferguson, Missouri. Giving his story and the details adds a sense of reality and connection to our viewers, and through what they've heard in the media. The next part of the story shows the bigger picture of this issue and the facts and statistics that are behind it, as well as how black men, specifically black young men, have been criminalized throughout society and are looked upon negatively. This is something that we don't see when we think of true equality. The final part of our story, we try to look at what are youth doing. We know that this is happening, and we know that there's systematic oppression of young black men as well as other minorities and underrepresented communities. However, we look at specifically young black men with police brutality and how that is affecting that community and the youth specifically. But what are youth doing in order to try to prevent this and create change? And this can be seen through many movements like the Black Lives Matter, as well as countless movements that we've researched and will show in our final project about the different changes that youth are trying to make in our society to end the systematic oppression, power, privilege,